For the last 25 years, the Haggard law firm has fought for clients not only in every courtroom in the state of Florida and across the country, but also in the halls of Congress and the halls of the Florida legislature. There have been continual attacks on crime victims' rights, not only in terms of safety and security, but their rights to access the civil judicial system. We fought those back 18 years ago when they tried to put the criminal on the verdict form, and we were successful. Unfortunately, the continual attacks have continued through this legislative session. And in just a month, the Florida legislature has passed one of the most egregious and awful tort reform bills that Florida has ever seen. And one of those particular items is to put the criminal on the verdict form in a civil case, which will allow apartments and malls to cut their security because they feel they have a defense in a civil case. It will make Florida more dangerous, and everyone has agreed to that across every law enforcement agency. But what is amazing is that insurance companies and big business think that this will deter crime victims from seeking justice. They think because they won in front of corrupt senators, in front of a legislative process that does not work anymore in the state of Florida, that somehow the Haggard law firm and their clients will wilt to the pressure. And nothing is further from the truth. We have fought this session with over 25 crime victims going to Tallahassee, with experts coming down to Tallahassee to talk about true security measures that work, with Florida police chiefs, crime victim advocates from across the country. We will continue to fight in every courthouse throughout the state of Florida and throughout the country on behalf of crime victims. The one thing I pledge to all crime victims, all referral lawyers out there, is that because big business and insurance has won in the legislature does not mean they're going to win in front of juries, the regular people of this country. We will fight alongside crime victims, and we hopefully will show the bravery, the courage, the incredible integrity that all of these crime victims have done as they told their stories in front of these representatives. We will fight with that type of valor in every courtroom. We will never discount a case because of these new laws. I can promise you that. We will fight alongside the Parkland families, the other families across the state that testified till the bitter end, and we will obtain them justice in negligent security cases, just as we have done in the last 25 years.